Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about shared pointer in C++. It is one of the type of smart pointer. So definition says it's a type of smart pointer where multiple owner can manage one single object. You can see in the graphics that there are three smart pointer, which is basically shared pointer, pointing to the same object. So all three are managing the same object. So in the background what it does is it maintains a reference count. Okay, so how many smart pointer is pointing to that object. So currently there are 3, so reference count is 3. So how this object get deleted? So basically if all 3 will get deleted, then this object destructor will be called. So if you reset all 3 shared pointer, then destructor of this object get called. If one of will remain, then it will never will call, the destructor of this object will be called. So we will see it through examples how this can be achieved. So let's first jump to the creation part. We'll see how a smart pointer can be created. Okay, that's the creation part. So in this example I have a class test. Okay, so class test, this is a constructor and there is a message inside that, and there is this constructor here and a simple print function which prints the hello world here. Okay, so in the main, let's create a shared pointer. So the first way is shared pointer and class name t, and you pass an object here. So this is the first way of creating a shared pointer here. Let's compile this code. So you can see here I created a new object here and there is a shared pointer wrapper over it. So first the constructor get called and then hello world function and then destructor get called. So this is the first way, and the second way is you can use make shared and the type class type and this thing. If you run this code, the execution is the same format. First the constructor get called, then hello world function, print function, and then finally the destructor get called. So the major difference is here you do not need to use the new keyword here. So, and it's highly recommended to use this format because it is more optimized and exception safe than this one, and you are keep on avoiding the new keyword because the main intention of smart pointer is to avoid new and delete keyword, and since the deletion is automatically called by the smart pointer, so it's better to avoid new keyword entirely. So use make shared function to create a shared pointer. Okay, so now we'll see how to use and how the shared pointers manages the reference count in the next example. Okay, let's understand how the reference count works. Okay, so I have created one shared pointer here t1. Let's create a new shared pointer t2 and assign it t1. Fine. So similar, let's create t3, assign t2. So you can now see here there is a one row pointer here and there are currently 3 smart pointer pointing to the same location. So you can print count by function use count. Okay, let's print this. Sorry, and so you can see here the constructor called and the count is 3 right now. So it shows that currently this pointer is pointed by 3 smart shared pointer. You can print all 3 t1, t2 or 3. Let's so it shows the count is 3 for all the shared pointers. So it means that the row pointer they are storing are maintained by 3 different shared pointers. So count is 3 here. So let's delete one by one all the shared pointer and let's understand how the count works. Okay, so let's delete t1. The reset function, what it does is it releases the ownership of this t1 pointer. So t1 is now will not point to anything. So right now only t2 and t3 are pointing to the row pointer. So let's again print all the thing. Okay. Cout after t1 reset. So let's print. So you can see here before reset there is a count 3, and when t1 is get reset, so t1 use count is 0, but t2 and t3 has now pointing to the 2 count. So you can see it all maintains through count here, and finally when the count becomes 0, this when all t1, t2, t3 count become 0, then destructor will automatically be called. Okay. So this way shared pointer works. Okay, it maintains a reference count and automatically release the memory once the count become 0. Okay. So this is the major difference between unique pointer and shared pointer. So if you want to share your pointer to across different functions or across your code, then you can use shared pointer here. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching this tutorial.